Hello, everybody. For today's activity, we are going to be participating in Giant Eagle's campaign to Heart Your Neighbor. So we're going to watch a video here that they have on Instagram to kind of show you what this is. And so, as you can see, Giant Eagle is asking if you guys would be creative and create some sort of art that shows your appreciation for all the essential workers during this time. So, that could be making some sort of positive sign or something to show that you care or are thinking about our neighbors that are these essential workers, whether it's someone working in a grocery store, nurses, anybody that's out there on the line that's still able to work and being there for us. So I'm asking you guys to be creative and use your artistic skills that I know you all have to be able to create something. That could look like a lot of the students you saw in there were using chalk. You guys could be creative. So I know a lot of you guys either like to use paint or drawing with pencils or coloring or anything. You guys could even craft something up. So you might have seen some posters or signs in the video as well. So you can get crafty with all kinds of glitter and glue and things like that if you prefer to do it that way, but doing some sort of art that you can show. You can hang it in your window or in your door, you can put a sign outside, or we'll talk about later how you can even just share it on Instagram to be able to get that out there for the public. So these are some examples and some of them ones that you might have seen in the video. So again, it could be something like chalk. You see the little boys holding some art that he has there. In the top in the middle where it says choose happy, you could paint a rock. That's also another way. You see that there's a door decorated or even just drawing with chalk on your sidewalk or in your driveway to show appreciation for our essential workers. So I decided that I wanted to do chalk and do something outside, but I did not have any chalk in my house. So I decided to do a little DIY chalk paint. So I'm going to walk you guys through how to make some chalk paint if that's an option that you want to and you have these supplies. If not, feel free to use any form of art that you feel more comfortable using. So to be able to make your paint, you're going to need these materials. You're going to need food coloring to make the different colors of chalk that you want. You're going to need cornstarch, a mixing bowl. You'll need a spoon to be stirring with. You're going to use paintbrushes, so we're going to be making chalk paint. So it's going to be something that you're going to paint on, so you'll need some paintbrushes. You'll need some measuring cups to be able to measure cornstarch. You're going to be using water, and then if you have any type of muffin pan, small containers, or bowls, or anything like that. So the first step is you're going to be using those measuring cups to be able to put equal parts of the cornstarch and water in your mixing bowl. So if you decide to use a cup of the cornstarch, make sure you're using a cup of the water when you're doing that. And you're going to go ahead and mix it together in your bowl with your spoon, making sure that it has a smooth consistency. It can be thick or it might be a little watery. And if it's a little watery, that's still okay because it'll work for your paint. The next step is you're going to separate your mixture into smaller bowls or cups or whatever you have to be able to mix in all of the dye. So you can go ahead and separate it into all of your little cups or bowls, and you're going to add whatever food coloring you want for the colors of chalk that you want. So you can see that I picked yellow, green, and red there for my paint to mix in. And then after that, you're ready to paint. So you can use your paintbrush on your sidewalk and start making your designs. And again, it might be a little watery when you're putting it on at first, but that's okay because it will dry. So you can go ahead and start thinking of whatever design you want to come up with. And again, the last step there is to take a picture of your masterpiece so that everyone can see it. So if you share it on Instagram using the hashtag #HeartYourNeighbor, and that's what Giant Eagle is using to be able to show everybody their appreciation for these essential workers, and making sure that you also tag our Instagram. So if you're not following our Instagram, please make sure you do that at BMS_after school. And that way you can tag us in it so we can see your artwork as well. If you don't have an Instagram or don't want to post it, you can also share it with us on our Google Classroom, or you can even email it to one of our teachers. And here are some of the artwork that I did. So I did Be the Change You Wish to See in the World, and I did a little smile with a sun, and Be Happy with a rainbow. So these are just some examples of ones that I did, but I know you guys can be super creative and come up with your own, whether it is chalk or if you decide to do another form of art. I can't wait to see what all of you guys have, and if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Hope you have fun.